kasamahan sa trabaho. Hati-hatiin po natin para marami pong makinabang. We will repack it so everyone will have the fish. Yes, so last night we got some only food, but we have to give it to this. So we will also have food. Okay, see you later. Ayun na po, naka-repack po tayo ng 20 pieces po. Marami na naman na isisihan ng mga ating mga kawalan. Here we go. Nag-aantay na po sila. Ayun, mamaya po natin sila ngayon natin ibibigay. Sila ba? 20 pieces po. Malaking tulong na po sa kanila yan. Share lang po natin yung ating nakuha isda kagabi. Medyo pinalat tayo ng konti nga lang, pero okay na yun. Magpapaligaya tayo ng kapwa natin. Here we go. Okay. Iniwalay niya mamaya. Okay? Syukran. Okay. Sil. Okay? Yala, take. Bollywood actor. Asif. Aywa, syukran. Only one. Okay. Ahmad is eating fish. He's not eating fish. Muskil ni. Bolo hindi, bolo Arabi muskil ni. Apuan. See, you can see there are too much Habib. Ewa. Habib putting YouTube, ha? See, you did not give me ketchup. Maybe already finished. See? Bharat, he need 10 pieces. Kalas, okay. Keep it there. Ay, mafi muskil. Aywa, kalam hindi muskil ni. Ay, Aywa. Aywa. Number 1 wala number. Pipito. Ay. Aywa. Yan.